Okay, Bitcoin has just fallen to a multi-week low of 55k. That's exactly what's happening in the market, and I want to also surprise you with the news that the greed index currently stands at 29%. Now you want to ask yourself, what is the way forward for Bitcoin? Currently at 55-56k, there's a very strong support at that point. We're hoping that it's going to make some reversal, but going by the greed index at the moment at 29, Bitcoin may be looking to break through. Ethereum, on the other hand, it's at about 2,900. Ethereum used to be at 37, 38, 39 a few weeks ago. Is down. The same applies to all altcoins. All the altcoins are bleeding. Crypto market generally is bleeding. That's exactly what's happening. Tomorrow we're going to be having very key data releases from the US. We're going to talk about that and how they're going to affect the crypto and the Forex market. Okay, now concerning Bitcoin at 55k. Remember some weeks ago Bitcoin traded at 74k and it dropped down to 73. Currently it actually traded also 71, and it kept on having some level of consolidation, some range bound movement, and it has dipped very massively. Like it dipped massively to 56k over the last 48 hours. Okay, now what do we expect? From our own point of view, we expect Bitcoin to drop below 55k. From what we see, if 56k support doesn't really hold well, or 56k support doesn't really hold, we're looking forward to Bitcoin hitting the next support at 53k. Now there's this perception that once Bitcoin gets below 50k, it's going to be the end of the bull run for Bitcoin, and it's going to be like a sell. People feel also that it's an important key level. The 50s, 52, 53ks are important key levels to once again restart. But I want to really encourage us to be very concerned, like very cautious about our entry, or cautious about our crypto portfolio at the moment. Okay, we're looking at 56k holding off, and if it doesn't hold off, it may be heading towards 53k. 53k is actually the next support, and hopefully we don't have to begin to scream bear market. No, we're not looking at that. We still remain bullish at the long run. From our own point of view, we still see this as some level of reset, okay, or level of reset, and this could potentially offer opportunities for people to restart, for investors to come and buy low once again. So take your time, do your risk management, and position effectively. Don't just jump in at the moment. So this is the period of reflection for the Bitcoin bulls. Okay, that's for Bitcoin. Now tomorrow's key data, non-farm payrolls data. Remember the last time we had non-farm payrolls data, significant amount of jobs were created in the US. So we're going to be expecting 191k jobs in the US from the non-farm sector tomorrow. Should that beat forecast by tomorrow, we want to expect a sustained USD strength by the release tomorrow. Okay, and also you want to pay attention to how that non-farm payroll is going to affect gold. Of course, remember I always tell us that both of them, they have some level of inverse relationship. So if the USD comes out strong tomorrow, they're going to expect gold price to dip. And now we're beginning to have Bitcoin dropping to lows of 56, 55k, and yet another ending of the US dollar could see Bitcoin hit 52k. So yeah, that's exactly what we're looking at. So I want to bring this to our notice. Concerning our 23 challenge, so far we've been consistent with JPY. Recently, because of the non-farm payroll data set to be released in a couple of hours, the market has retraced a bit. So investors at the moment are being cautious about their position. So we're going to be looking forward to taking those trades tomorrow. So that's exactly what we have for you today. So tomorrow I will advise you to trade with appropriate lot sizes. Okay, you want to also consider the JPYs. these are very big data releases that you want to use the buy stops and your sell stop tools in your meta app, right? Buy stop tools help you position in advance. Sell stop also does the same for you. So if you intend to really catch the spike by tomorrow, you want forward to using the buy and sell stop. So consider your USD JPYs, consider your Euro JPY. You want to also consider most especially USD JPY by the end of tomorrow. It is also good currently at 23.58. So if you got some strengthening of the USD, you could expect the gold price to experience some bearish pressure. So that's exactly what we have for us today. If you have any very important comments, please do well to leave a comment and we'll do well to respond to you. You can also check out our YouTube channel and subscribe so you can get updates. So see you by the time we have our next meeting. Have a good one. Bye.